for June. This is going to be, I think, the second or third box that they have sent over to me complimentary to unbox and review for you guys. I actually did do a try on with some of the products in here so I can give you guys my thoughts and opinions and review and all of that fun stuff. But if you guys are new here, I would love for you to join our family. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment, drama, and stress-free zone. So we come here, relax, we talk about makeup, and we remember it is in fact only makeup. It's not that serious. So anyways, let's just go ahead and jump into the unboxing, review, and all the information I have for you. It's like a cat in the hat kind of day. Okay guys, so like I said, this is a monthly subscription service. It is $24 a month. You can cancel at any time and you will receive at least $100 worth of product in here. Now, like I said, this is the June box. I know that they have been a little behind on shipping because of the whole craziness that's going on. So just, it will be to you momentarily. I think everybody is just running behind as far as that goes. So I went ahead, there is no card in this June box. She actually posted to Instagram letting everybody know that, but she did go ahead and let us know that everything that is in the box, as well as the prices of everything, to make things a little bit easier for all of us. So, like I said, this box is $24 a month, and the first item we did receive is by Mana Kadzar Beauty, and this is a Luxe Lash Serum. Now, I actually received it in another subscription service, so I have been using it for, I would say, maybe a week. So I can't really give you a review as far as that goes, but I can say it does not irritate my eyes or anything like that. It is comfortable, and this is what the wand does look like. It's kind of a spiky little plastic wand, and you just apply it like you would your mascara. I'll tell you guys, when I do put it on there, I gently, because it is like plastic little spikes, kind of move it around to really get the serum on there. You can put this on your brows as well if you want, and it does have a retail value of $29. So again, like I said, this box is $24. The first product I showed you guys worth $29. So I thought that was pretty awesome. Now, the next item I actually do have on, and this is the Pro Luxe Vacay palette. It does have a retail value of $13.99. Now, I personally have never heard of this brand before, but it is a cardboard type of palette. It's kind of like your standard type of cardboard packaging. And then on the inside, you do have a mix of really pretty eyeshadows, and then all down through here is really pretty highlights or highlighters. Now, I will, at the end of the video or somewhere towards the end of the video, I will actually show you guys how I created this look using this eyeshadow palette. And like I said, I do have a mixture of the highlights on my face today. This does, like I said, have a retail value of $13.99. And as far as the performance of everything goes, I can't attest for the longevity, but I can say, as far as the application process of everything went on pretty easily. I didn't struggle as far as that goes. Like I said, and I don't know, I haven't edited that portion of the video yet, but the way that I apply my eyeshadows, I do have 42-year-old mature lids. So I do more of like a tap, tap, dab, dab type of motion before I go into like a windshield wiper motion. So I feel like as far as that goes, kind of packing these eyeshadows on worked really well. The only thing I will say is this shade right here, which is like this purpley, warm purple shade called Paradise. I did not feel like I got like the payoff that I was expecting, because I feel like a lot of shimmers, you really get like this creamy, not thick. I'm like the worst at explaining things, but I just expected more of a payoff with that shade. But what I will say is I was able to go back in and really pack it on there. I felt like the best payoff was definitely for the shimmer. That shimmer in particular was with my finger. But overall, I feel like everything applied well, built up. I did feel like I did have to build up more. But again, to me, that's not that big of a deal, because I would rather build up to the color that I want versus like getting too much and then going, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? And I will say, I did use my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas eye base as well, and you guys know that's my favorite eye primer known to man, because it helps with any kinds of crepiness or what have you. But I digress. As far as this palette goes, I thought it was a decent palette. Again, $13.99, and I really, really like the highlights. I have this shade in particular in my inner corner up on my brow bone, and then I mixed these two and then topped it with this one over here on my cheekbones and nose, all of that stuff. So I think overall it is a really nice palette to kind of add to your collection, and again, for $24, I'm not mad about it. Okay, moving on to the next item. This I actually forgot to use. So there's that. But this is the, I don't know if I'm saying it right, Cella face blending brush, and it does have a retail value of $20. Now, this is kind of like a nice little stippling brush. I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but I think that this is going to be great. Not, you know, you can not only use it underneath the eye to maybe blend out your concealers, but I think like if I were to use like a cream contour, I think it would be perfect for there because it would be so precise. Really nice soft brush, but you guys know I always, for my cream contours and everything, I use a stippling brush that looks just like it. So this would definitely be more precise. So I am excited to use this. It's nice, and like I said, it does have a retail value of $20. So already we are getting our value, money's worth, for the value of this box. Moving right along, the next two items in here, I actually have these on as well, and I will tell you guys, the first one is the Appeal Gel Liner, and it's in the shade, I think it's called Dulce? I could be wrong on that, but it's a really pretty nude liner. So this is what the swatch looks like on this liner, and it pairs great with this eye look. But this is a really comfortable liner. I have tried the Appeal lip liners in the past and eyeliners, and I do really like them. They're crazy expensive. They have a retail value of like $21, so it's very expensive, but it is a nice comfortable formula. And what I did with this is I just applied it all over my lips, and I actually colored in as well. So that's predominantly the color that you see on my lips. And then the next item that we did get is by Illuminati Cosmetics. It's the lip gloss, which does have a retail value of $21. Crazy expensive. But what I did is only in the center I put this, because this is a very, like, I don't know if my camera again will pick this up, but I feel like this definitely has an opacity to it. Not that it's really probably showing up, but it's definitely more of like a thicker golden gloss than it is a sheer golden gloss. So when I put it on, I was like, oh, wasn't expecting that. But it is pretty, it is very comfortable. It's not one of those glosses that, like, you know, kind of thing. So it was comfortable. $21 is really expensive, and I will say, like, be careful with this because you could hurt somebody. Look at that. I don't know, but anywho, it looks expensive, but it's like nice. It's plastic, and you could, you know, with whatever. Take a left-hand turn. Welcome to my channel. Anyways, guys, retail value of everything in this box. Okay guys, so retail value of everything in this box did come to $104.99. And like I said, this box is $24 a month. I am gonna go ahead and pop in the picture or the video right now of how I created this eye look if you guys are interested. Let's roll it. I have primed my lids with the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base. I do have a coupon code, 30% off with code HOTMESS. It's an affiliate code, just letting you guys know, but that is my go-to eye primer. I am going to go ahead and set my primer with some of my C-Color Cosmetics. This is the Soft and Natural palette, super inexpensive. I'm like plugging all my coupon codes. HOTMESS10 saves you 10% on everything at C-Color Cosmetics. But I do, as you guys can see, I love this particular type of shade to just set my entire lid, to just get a nice all over color. I do put a little bit of that eye base underneath as well to help with any wrinkles and crinkles. I think I'm going to stick with more of these warm shades, I'm thinking. So let's go ahead and start off with this shade called Summertime, right in the crease. And I'm going to take it down to the lid, all over the lid as well, and a little underneath. moving on from there, I'm gonna go in with the shade Ship in the crease, like below the crease. Next, for the outer corner, I'm gonna go in with the shade Trip, which is this really pretty, like kind of like a burgundy purpley. It looks more purple in person, but it's kind of a warm shade, so we're gonna go in with that in the outer portion. Now take whatever's left and pop it underneath the eye. Not all the way, just kind of the outer portion, like so. And from there, I want to go into the shade Paradise, which is a shimmer color, pinky purple. And I just want to go ahead and plop that into the inner portion of the lid. Then I'm going to go in and mix the shades Salty and Sunset. And I'm going to use a pencil brush for that. Mix those two and put it in like the inner corner to the middle part of the lid. Not lid, eye, whatever it's called. Just like this. Then I think what I'm going to do is take this shade, which is a highlighter, and I'm going to pop that in the inner corner and on the brow bone. And then before I jump off and do liner and mascara, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to use, actually going to mix Rose Gold and Glow highlighters together and plop that up here. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's add a little bit of champagne. Oh yeah. Oh, hi. That's pretty. Okay guys, so simple, easy. You guys can see that everything built up fairly nicely. The only struggle I felt like I said before, was that little bit of that shimmer. But overall, like I said, the palette has a retail value of $13.99. Everything in this bag, like I said, was $104.99, and it cost $24. So I don't really think that this was all that bad. I mean, everything works really well. I didn't have any types of issues. Nothing is irritating to my skin, my eyes, or anything like that. So anyways guys, let me know your thoughts down below on this box. Did you like it? Do you receive it? And don't forget, there are 3 giveaways going on our channel right now. One is actually over on Instagram. The other 2 are videos that you have to jump over to those videos to enter into those giveaways. They end July 8th and July 11th. So make sure to jump over there and enter into those giveaways. As well as thank you to slayglambox for sending this over my way to unbox for you guys and give you guys a review. I'm pretty happy with this box, and I liked everything. So like I said, let me know down below. Anyways friends, I'm hopping off for now. I have a lot of filming to do for you guys, and until next time, as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. If you guys like my nail polish, it's actually kale polish, so yeah, sorry about that. Okay, bye guys.